This kind of thing has not happened since the history of this community.
My brother, this is sacrilege. Come to think of it, are you sure Robinson is not having problem with anybody before he died?
Oh, could it be that he belongs to one of these fraternities?
That is it. You could be correct. Yes, because this sort of thing can only happen when the secret society is involved. If they are not involved, then that his useless son, Desmond, he might have his hand on it.
You think so?
Brother, I don't know what else to say.
Then it means there is nothing we can do. Because not until the body of this father is found, the burial cannot hold.
Aaron.
That's the way I see it.
Raphael, you said that the police have been informed.
Yes, they have been informed and they've gone after the hoodlums.
As long as the gods of our lands are concerned, they will catch those hoodlums. They will catch them.
But you didn't even take a close look at any of them.
There was no time for that. They started shooting immediately they confronted us. Yes.
It's okay. And we have to proceed to Matthias' house for a brief meeting.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, we should.
You will join us later, or should we wait?
Okay, fine. Now I'll meet up with your people then.
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, sure. I will drive down.
Let's go.
Okay, thank you.
Hope you guys are okay.
Yes.
I hope no one was hurt.
We are fine. Well.
Ositoji Jehovah.
Hey. You see, whoever that is behind this will never know peace. What if any of us was shot?
God forbid. It's not our portion. In Jesus' name.
Amen. See, I'm beginning to sense some things that are not funny. Okay? And from the look of things, Neo, I don't know about you guys, I might resign. Why? You're asking me why? Is it not obvious to you that it's just by the grace of God that we're actually saved from this attack? And you're asking why?
Thank God we are saved.
I swear.
Hey.
Do you know why we all were saved? Because those guys were instructed not to shoot anybody.
You see? You see the obvious reason I said I'm sensing something fishy. And I might do something silly tomorrow, police will start looking for me. That's the utmost reason I have to resign.
You know, I was thinking Raphael was the target.
Even me, I never knew he was not shot.
Oh, thanks to God. Come to what you just said, the man Jay. If you resign, where will you go? Where will you get another job from?
How can you be asking such a dumb question? Being jobless and losing your life, which one do you prefer?
It's better I become jobless than to lose my life.
Listen, guys. See all these things you are just talking. It's better you die trying than you remain poor for life.
As for me, I will not remain poor. And I will not die trying. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Good evening.
Good evening. My fellow elders, our ancestors are angry. We need to hurry up and do things before it goes wrong. Raphael, where is your brother, Desmond?
Uncle, I have not set my eyes on him after the incident.
It's okay. Let me ask you this question. When your father was alive, Was he a member of any secret society?
No, not at all. My father was not a member of any secret society. As a matter of fact, he was transparent in everything he did when he was alive.
Are you very sure of what you are saying?
Absolutely sure.
My fellow elders, I believe that when Robinson was alive, he was a member of a fraternity that has hijacked his body in order to take what belongs to them.
Uncle, point of correction. My father was not a member of any fraternity when he was alive.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Very sure.
It's all right. Let's go inside.
Where's Raphael? Where is Raphael?
He went to Matthias's house. They're having a meeting there.
Desmond. Why did you tell him that?
Because he asked now.
Don't you know that he's going there to cause trouble?
Yeah. What business of mine is it? Eh? Mama, come to think of it, what Raphael is doing is not nice. They are having a meeting behind him. Or is he not supposed to be in that meeting? Is he not?
Janet, mind how you speak to my mother.
As small as you are, just shut your mouth.
Please do not mind this mad woman. She's mad, yes. So just ignore her. This is not the proper time for this.
Deborah, you are the one that is raving mad. Look at you. Mama, you don't know this woman. Very soon, the breeze will blow and
Janet, please! I don't even have your time because you do not have conscience.
I am conscience. Do you have conscience? Osama bin Laden. I mean now, I am on able.
You are even talking to Mama in her. Everybody knows that you're mad in this marriage. You're mad. No, you want me to join you? I cannot join you.
Uncle, you're not far from the truth. My instinct tells me that Desmond kidnapped my father's corpse.
What? Let the police arrest him immediately. What are you still waiting for?
Exactly what I have in mind. I've spoken with the DP over the phone and I believe that investigation will commence immediately.
Yes. Let him be arrested. And make sure that the police does not release him until he provides the corpse.
Yes.
What I am saying is that police protocols can be funny at times. You see, the investigation might even take more than enough time.
No, Uncle, not in this case. Not at all. I believe before the end of today, they will make an arrest.
It's okay.
Yes.
That'll be nice.
So let me be on my way.
It's okay.
Go well, eh?
Okay.
I just want a little headline, okay? No panics, okay? I want a little headline, okay? The very important headline. So I just want to tell you people that I have my father's corpse, and I'm not going to release it until that will is read, okay? One can chill in the refrigerator, so no worries, okay? Agurana will. We bury him.
Desmond.
Abundeli and Agamaga. Na me be Desmond where they give Wahala lift.
Okay. Let's hear why you called me back.
I need my father's corpse. And I swear, if you don't release my father's corpse, she won't leave here alive.
You're such a coconut head. But I like you. Now, watch me leave.
You don't walk out on me when you...
Desmond, you will not go anywhere today. You will kill me. If you don't provide your father, you're not going anywhere.
It's very simple. It's very simple. You know the main thing. You know the main thing to bring peace in this family, yet you refused. I told you, the only way is to read that will. Then you will see the corpse, period.
Then you will have to give me today. You will give me.
Mama, I don't like what you're doing. Eh? Why are you going to hold on? You feel that you don't want us here. Leave my husband and let me go back to the city.
Leave me alone now.
Kill me.
I say go on way. Like go away for the cops now.
Call my husband. Do not injure her. I'm warning you.
I will give you what is called chameleon.
You cannot do anything.
That's it. Not get it. You cannot change it.
You cannot do anything.
Purple grey.
You cannot do anything.
Hey, stop that! Officer, chase the kidnapper.
Police, Raphael!
We are from police headquarters. Mr. Man, I'm afraid you're on that road.
What has he done?
Raphael.
Very good.
You called police for me.
Hey.
Not until you release our father's corpse. This time around, not even the Attorney General of the Federation will set you free.
Are you seeing intimidation of the highest order in Afia?
Mr. Man.
Move! It's going!
No, don't push me like
My husband is not going anywhere.
Don't push me.
Honey, move!
Raphael, you're playing with me.
Move! Bad man! Evil man! Move! Tell your husband to release our father. I will shoot you. Evil man! Evil man! Hey! Don't touch my husband! Do not touch my husband! Do not touch my husband! Dennis! Do not touch my husband! Dennis! Do not touch my husband! Dennis! Dennis! Look at them, mad people! Come on! Mad! Sophia! Oh my God!
Mom?
Hey, God! How are you, my love?
Okay, sit down there. Where did you go?
Okay, calm down now. Now my wife did that too. I'll call my wife.
Officer, please, I wish to have a private time with my husband. Officer, please. Even if it means paying money, please. I need to speak with him.
What do you mean by even if it means paying money? Do you want to bribe the police?
No, not at all. I don't know if it's against your rules and regulations. That's why I suggested that.
You have every right to demand to see your husband privately, but not asking us if it means paying money to see him.
I am sorry. Please, let me speak with him.
Corporal, thank you.
Follow me.
Come on,
Follow them.
How are you, my love?
now.
Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? I hope they haven't touched you.
mushed me. As in beat me. Are they mad?
I call you uniform.
Honey, please, you're in the police station, please. They can do anything to you.
Well, normally, that's what it's supposed to be now.
I know, but you have to calm down. When you're out of here, you can do anything you want, but certainly not here. Calm down. So what's the phone?
They are forcing me to tell them the whereabouts of the cops, but I told them that.
Don't ever.
I'm okay. Here.
Okay, very good. Honey, I brought you food. You've not eaten, right? What about the lawyer? Where is he?
Akwa Anthony. I called him. He said I should not worry that he's doing the work. Work
Don't worry, my love. He will do the work. Oh? But before then, you need to eat.
No problems.
Thank you very much, officer. Oh? Baby, baby, happen on your own.
Janet, I've been waiting for you.
Again.
Your clothes at the backyard are dried, so I want to spray mine. Just go and remove yours. Did she just call me a mad woman? Did she just ease? Mama, after washing your clothes, I went to the backyard to spread your clothes. I noticed that Janet's clothes were already dried. I did not touch her clothes. I waited for her to come back peacefully. Mama, guess what she did? Guess what she did?
What did she do?
She looked at me from head to toe and she hissed. She even called me Onyala. She called me mad woman.
Hey.
Didn't you?
Just shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I have not asked you to talk.
Oh, Mama, no problem.
Okay.
Should I talk?
Hold on.
Oh, God.
How did it happen? But you need to talk like a lady.
I will say the truth and nothing but the truth.
Good.
I went to see my husband at the police cell. Immediately I drove into the compound. Ochumadum! The clothes you spread, it's already dry. Come and pick it. What kind of nonsense is that?
Janet!
Hey! Was shouting! My co-wife, why are you doing this?
Hey!
You couldn't even ask me, how is your husband? The first thing she told me was, I've been waiting for you. Go and remove your clothes. The children can go. I put fat in your own.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Yulia, how is it? Is he okay or anything? She did not. She was just shouting. I told her, my dear, I'm just coming back. Allow me to go inside and drop my bag. Only an hour he was cursing me. But I did not say what to her. I got in, relaxed. They went outside to get something and found out that, oh, Mama, this girl did not only pack the clothes, she dropped them on the floor.
Janet!
And I'm matching ground.
Mama is a liar.
And before I said pim,
Mama, I did.
Ask her. She was there.
Janet is a lie.
Shut up your mouth.
Hold on.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You want to chica?
Shut up. You don't want to let me talk.
Mama, talk. Talk, oh.
Mama, I did not.
Shut up. What is wrong with you two? Eh? My husband is at the mortuary.
And my own husband is at the police set.
Will you shut up? Okay. All you people want to be doing in this house is to fight.
I don't want to tell you that. Ask her, Mama, she was there.
Mama is a lie. I did not do anything. Mama, I didn't do it.
I can't even double reform. Join her. She was there.
Mama, I don't even have
double my reform.
Ask her now.
The next time you try it, I will beat you.
Me? You know what I can do?
Yeah, couldn't be around me. I will remove this your wig like this.
Leave. Let them fight.
Guys, something is wrong somewhere.
Never picking call.
He's not picking. Then nobody will call him.
So what do we go do now? You know the person will make it. Let it go out for pocket. I say, make we calm down. Make we gather update. Another update and go decide our movement. Whether we will go into hiding or not.
Now the question should be, how should we get the update?
But we know we disguise ourselves, enter this guy village, collect our money. Now money we dey talk about for here. That's a funny man. Eh? You never see anybody who use power sleep. They need to use power sleep. If we disguise ourselves, enter that village, if he cast, see your face now. See men face now. We're not good now. And if he cast, everything will scatter. Now, suggest now what we will do now. Suggest. I don't be more sad or suggest. Then you go close your mouth now. Follow what you do, what you do. Which one would you do? Guy, let's say you don't get mad. You don't know what they talk to. Now you the grace. Guy, I'm vexing now. What this guy now? I'm going to make I close my mouth. You open your own mouth. Let me make me close my own mouth. You get mad. I want you open, close your mouth. Listen to what you do. You don't understand. You talk to like that. Nigga, fuck you. No, let me leave this bottle for head. Oh wait, people know me. See this guy. What you about this guy now? I'm bugging now. I can't do for nothing now. I go. What do you think you do there?
No, calm down now. Which kind of blood this one? Eh? I dey try make use of my number C before 7. When I didn't hear they shout anyhow. But can't they bring all these ones now? Make una behave, oh. Let everybody behave himself.
Sir, there's about 3 numbers that have been connected our line all through yesterday.
Do you pick the call?
No, sir.
Why haven't you picked the call and know who the caller is?
We have been trying to fit it into our investigation. You know, if we rush it, the caller might drop. That is, if she or he happens to be our target.
Okay, call the number back.
Hello, guys. This Monday's calling. Hello. One in a while. What you gonna happen now? Hello?
Okay, what did happen? You need to talk.
He's not saying anything. Hello, Desmond. Hello? Go no now. Hello?
Hello? Guy man, how far now? Why can't they do like this now? Which kind of... Na me, zero they talk. Why can't they do me like this now? See, guy man, you better make you bring our balance come, because if you don't bring our balance come, they go meet your brother.
Yes, sir.
We'll go tell him everything where they happen. Which kind of play be this one? Guy, bring out, bring...
What's up?
This guy don't cut call. Oh.
This guy, they call my number. Who? This month.
Don't pick it. Why? He's not the one calling.
So I take me on now.
Make use of your brain.
Huh? This guy is calling back. Who? This month.
Pick it, but let all of us keep quiet.
My people are aware I hijacked the cops, but I denied before the police.
What about your brother?
He's hell-bent on me going to jail.
No. You will not go to jail. I, Barrister Anthony, promise you that. You can't go to jail. None of my client has ever gone to jail.
Barrister Anthony.
Yes. You will not go to jail.
Okay, I'll try to believe that. And meanwhile, I don't want to go to court.
Don't worry. You won't go to court. The most important thing we should be discussing here is getting you out of here.
In that case, you have to discuss with the DPO. Let's know what it's going to take. Yeah?
Okay, I'll do that right away.
Mr. Desmond. I'm your friend. Right? Oh, please, I would like you to tell me the truth. Please. Okay? Please, who is Flash?
Flash is my friend.
So, and Acid.
Acid is also my friend.
I see. Please, just relax, calm down, okay? Is there any business you have with these guys? Because they have been calling you all through.
They are calling me to check up on me. Friends calling on friends. Normally that's how it's supposed to be now.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, as friends. I understand.
Exactly.
Okay. Please, just relax, eh? I'm your friend. You can confide on me. Tell me. Please. Can you just tell me as me alone, where they are now?
I don't know their whereabouts.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem. Please, Mr. Desmond, I just want you to see me as your friend. Do you understand? I'm your friend. Like they say, police is your friend. I'm telling you honestly. Just talk to me as in one-on-one, as in nobody is here. It's only two of us. You understand? Just talk to me. I may work with you, honestly. I will work with you. So, I understand. Your family, your brothers, you know, they are trying to rip you off your rights. Do you understand? I'll work with you. I'm telling you to just tell me everything you know about those guys. Then I'll work with you. Talk to me. It's only two of us here and nobody else. You can see nobody's here. Just talk to me, please. Honestly.
Who has the key to the gate? I asked the security man, say doesn't have the key to the gate.
I don't get it. What do you mean, key to the gate? How?
He said he doesn't have it. He wasn't the one that locked the gate.
Locked? By who?
I locked it! Yes, hello, come here. I locked it. Here is the key. The key, wallow.
Wait, Janet. You locked my gate.
Yes, Mom, I locked it and no one is leaving this house. Except you go to that police station and release my husband. If not,
what effort?
Mama, why are you being so preferential now? This man we are talking about is your son. Tell Raphael here to go and speak with the DPO. Let him release my husband. If not, there will not be peace in this house. Nobody is going anywhere.
Give me the key.
Mama, I will not.
Eh?
For the very first time, I am going to disrespect you. I will not give you this key.
Janet, give her the key.
Shut up. Janet, it's your wagon. Nobody should call my name, oh. Go and release my husband.
Can I have the key?
I will not give you.
Janet, give him the key now. Janet,
see that I will be here. I will not do it.
Janet.
Mom.
Yeah, well,
talk to her.
Janet, give me the key, please.
Janet, give him the key. Janet, please you do it.
Janet, I said let me have the key.
Yeah, what are you going to do? Mom. You locked my husband in the police cell and you want to go out. You want to be a free man. Yeah, oh my God, informer. You are the one that is mad and crazy.
Janet, give me the key.
I want me here.
Janet, I said give me the key.
If you are a strong man, put hand.
Give me the key.
Abomination. Mama, abomination. So you put your hand in my inventory and you collected this key. Hey, you will suffer for it. Where will you keep? So what is wrong? Hey, you want to go to your nigga? Up here? Hey! You know what I can do? What is wrong with this girl?
Let's go.
No, Raphael, pick a one. I want you to know that the devil is at work here.
Mom, exactly what I want to do. I want to crush the devil to death.
If you kill her, it becomes murder and you cannot go scot-free.
Mama, Janet is overreacting in this house. Her own is too much. You just need to talk to her.
So, you're supporting your husband to kill her?
No, Mama. But aside from using the car to crush her to death, why don't we all just beat her out of that gate? Let's beat her up.
Your father will not be happy wherever he is.
No, Mom. Dad will be happy because he will know that I'm fighting for the peace of this family.
Brother, excuse me, Mama. What do you want us to do? What do you want us to do? Because Brother Raphael must definitely go back to the city today, and Janet is not going to stop him.
Raphael, please, don't do anything stupid. Whenever she leaves the gate, you can travel.
You need to talk to Janet. Seriously, I don't like the way she's insulting my husband. I know what to do. I'm just respecting you, Mama. I'm just respecting you. Talk to her. I don't like the way she's insulting my husband every time. I know what to do, Mama. I know what to do.
Nobody is going out from this compound until my husband is released, though. If not, nobody is leaving this place. Come and leave, let me see you. Hey, come and leave. You want to go? You want to go? Shameless man. That's what you are. Come and leave, let me see you. Come and leave now. Come and leave. Get out of where?
I said get out of.
Get out of where?
Get out of.
You gonna move mad. Apamaka. You must gonna maka. Honey, you needed to have seen what happened today. Your brother, you needed to have seen. He dipped his hand into my body because he wanted to collect key.
Really?
I am telling you the truth. But I refused. I went by the gate and stood there. It was so, I had to lie down there. I laid down there and I told him that he wasn't going to go anywhere. He dragged me back into the house, locked me there, and left.
Raphael.
I am telling you, honey. By the time I got out, he already left. But I told your mother and sister that this is not over until it's over. There will not be peace in that house until you come out of this police cell. If not,
normally that's so it's supposed to be now.
Honey, say something reasonable.
Raphael will regret having me as a brother by the time I get out of here.
Honey, what do you mean by the time you get out of here? Are you not going to leave again? Did you not speak with your lawyer again?
He came here.
And
told me that he will come back tomorrow. That he's working.
I don't understand all this. I'm losing my patience. In fact, I want to see the DPO right now.
He's not on seat. I asked to see him before. They said he's not on seat.
But honey, you know they will not grant you access to see him. I'm a suspect. You're still one. Hold on. Olga, please, I wish to see your DPO.
DPO is not on seat.
You won't walk on seat. Honey, what do we do?
What do you want?
Desmond, I came here to see you. I want to discuss with you.
Officer, apart from my wife and my lawyer, no one should be allowed to see me.
Desmond.
Hey, you heard him.
Desmond.
I said you heard him.
Desmond, I need to talk to
you. You heard what he said.
Officer, I won't wear female cell here. One net wired by female cell now.
Desmond.
No!
And my car condo kuku seku.
I will lock you up.
I don't want what's yours.
Go!
Now my own, I want the.
Come. Go to Sergeant office. Sergeant Chinedu Ibe. Go to his office.
Okay, sir.
Tell him to give you the register for.
I'm no longer comfortable staying in this hotel. It's very obvious this man has been apprehended. And they may use him to track us.
Clash, calm down. Clash. What you are saying is true. I feel it also. I feel it as well. But this Desmond with me, I know so if we cast our hideout. This deal, they're fucking important to that guy. Fucking important. If we cast our hideout. And that's what they feel out for inside my body. And they tell you.
Listen, guy, whether he tell or be no tell, you no concern me. The only thing we concern me is this balance. Guy, making give us my balance. I want international one tomorrow morning. No be business where we are not agree with this one.
Assist, which kind level be this one? Which kind chat where do they chat? Okay, you don't raise voice for us. I've been a whippy, that's one of us do business together with. See, connect yourself. Which kind level be all these ones, man?
I swear with my grandpapa, if my two naked eyes see that guy, Magachukumbaga God, I could play that guy. You see that guy? If I say that guy, he no correct. You see I draw that guy, man. If I see that guy with my eye, don't worry.
But you see, once handshake don't pass elbow, so an invitation for fight. You see, what they pay me for this matter? What they pay me for this matter? Wetin dey fuel my doubt, na the way these calls dey go. Oza.
This one don't fuck up.
I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, my own. Don't tell me to take it easy as I dare nobody fit to cheat me. Give me my own, my own. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, my own.
This your guy na real muggle. They look farm rubber inside cupboard.
Manager, where are they?
I don't know. I told you before, I don't know when they left. I don't know.
Manager, do not play with me. From our signal, they were here this morning.
Exactly. The only thing I can testify is that when I came to work this morning, they've checked out of the room. I don't know. I don't know.
I can see you must be joking with us.
I don't know.
You don't know? Mr. Desmond, where are they?
Come, help him. People should leave the bed. They are under the bed.
What? Are you joking with me?
I'm singing lullaby for you. I've told you people I don't know their whereabouts. What's all this now? But normally now, that's what it's supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to be.
Meaning? Very quiet. Hey, take that from here.
Now move it.
Out.
Out.
I
say move it.
Move. All of you carry gun. You don't they feel now, Abi? Baby police, they calm down.
Move.
Everybody now that carry gun now. You people have power. Right?
I say move.
I don't want what's yours. Now my own, I want the.
Guys, we will off on our location. We will off on our location. What happened? The Kelebe people is after us.
So don't be like this now, eh? What we go do now? What we go be our next move? So don't be like this.
No be that what they yarn. No, tell me, no be that what they talk. But if you don't know what they talk, you don't see them.
Damn.
No be number so.
Calm down. Be the last person. Guy, how you take the gather all this information?
I beg. No. That one no mean anything. That one no mean anything. Something very important to us now for you to off your location. Ekelebe they track us. If you ask me how I think, I don't they move.
Why you want? Never do this. Where do you go now?
Yes, ma'am. There's something I want to talk about.
Okay, what is it?
I want you to make peace with your brother, Desmond.
You want me to make peace with my brother? Why?
Because that's the only way you can bury your father.
You think so?
I know so.
That's okay. Making peace with him is not the problem. But the question is, does he want peace?
Honey, release him from the police station first. Let him come back to his father's house. Then we can dialogue and make peace. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll know what I can do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you too. You know.
Okay, move inside, move inside.
Come, baby police. I no be your mate too. I don't tell you say I go buy you bobo.
Okay, keep quiet. Shut up. Keep quiet.
Baby police.
Hey, shut up. Well, I will slap you if you don't shut up.
Okay, I beg.
Check your things there. Baby police. Where is the trousers? All of one, I don't move. If I see you here again, you know what I'm going to do?
Can you please mention this guy, Alpha?
Honey, home. Honey, I know that you're angry, but please, you have to calm down. Follow these people like you don't know what they are doing. My name is Chifenine. Listen, my love, I want you to attend this meeting. Okay? I know you're so angry that if you see him now, you might want to kill him. Man, when you see him, pretend and listen to what he has to say. If they do not say anything about the will, then you can attack. Scatter everywhere. I am strongly behind you.
You mean I should leave Raphael after what he did to you?
Honey, let us know what his plans are. First of all, if he doesn't say anything reasonable, he goes everywhere.
In that case, let me return his call then and tell him I'm coming for the meeting.
Yes. Just go there. Now
wow. Can you go the carbon or Broadway? I'm not car condo. But normally that's so it's supposed to be, you know.
Don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, my own. Don't tell me to take it easy as I did. Nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, my own. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, my own.
I called you out here because there is a need for us to talk, man to man, without involving our mom and our wives. You are the only brother I have, and of course you know I love you so much. So tell me, how do you want it so our father will be buried?
Which one is how do I want it to be done so our father will be buried? You already know now, Raphael. Agua will bury our father. If that will is not read, our father will not be buried.
Desmond, can you pick a date for the will to be read?
I'm ready now. Very, very ready. Let's read it now. No dates. Let's start reading it now.
Raphael, I want every nerve to be calm. So pick a date.
Wait, so you don't want the will to be read now?
I want every nerve to be calm.
Which one is every nerve to be calm? You like speaking English? Let's read the will now.
We can't just gather everybody right now, Desmond. So pick a date.
I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, my own. Don't tell me to take it easy as I did. Nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, my own.
Okay, 12th of this month.
Really? 12th. Being Friday, right? Okay. 12th then.
12th is 12th.
Sure.
That's what it's supposed to be now. Normally. Before now. Normally, that's what it's supposed to be. Udade.
You're welcome, my love.
Thank you.
So tell me, how did it go?
Well, we did it. 12th of this month, the will be read.
What?
But normally, that's so it's supposed to be now.
Better. You're too much. You're just too much. Sorry.
Just call me.
That's women for you. I'm so excited. Wow, it will be read on the 12th.
Of course, my love.
Wow. I'm excited. Okay, babes. I'll get you your favorite.
But normally, that's so it's supposed to be, my love.
No.
Bring it on, baby.
Okay, my love.
Yeah. You don't say that when they give Wahala lifts now. Normally, that's so it's supposed to be.
Oga Desmond, this money is complete.
You observe
one naira no short, 1 naira no add, 400,000. Complete that.
You observe.
But normally now, that's so it's supposed to be.
That's how it's supposed to be. Man, we walk, go chop.
No.
I've given you guys 600k before, Abi.
Which are you doing?
I go.
Confirm. Well, now you go be now. I go to update you now. When I stay well, when I stay well. You know, say that maybe the G where they give Wahala lift.
You know, pass like that.
Wahala na my G now.
Let me one, let me two, Oga.
Wahala be na one, I be na two now.
I
like no pass like this.
Oh, okay, people there.
You not correct man. You not correct person. You not strong person.
0. How far now? When I do well now. I'm Pierre Tire, man.
One more. Hey, you feel that? I can't do that. Okay.
Come on, play music now.
Spray me money. Without money, one naira be a killer as long as money dey enter pocket. Hey, don't make her. Hey, spray me money. No be money be this. No be money be this. Spray me money.
Does her father have 2 barristers?
This one we were waiting for you to proceed.
I'm sorry about that. We're here now. Start.
is this man you brought in our midst?
His name is Barrister Anthony. He's my lawyer, and he's here to do his work.
Good day all once again.
And what's your lawyer doing here?
You mean the chief priest? No, he's here for the yearly sacrifice.
Desmond, to the best of my knowledge, my father had only one lawyer.
Meaning what, Raphael? Our father having only one lawyer, is that the reason we are here? We are here to read the will, and that's why we are here.
Which will?
No, it's Willy. And yeah, what no, I cannot change that for you. What that way look I want to win. Okay.
You and your lawyer are sick. Both of you are sick. Barrister Madam. Yes, please. Let us proceed.
If you open that sacrifice, you call briefcase. If I slap, are you mad?
Desmond, stop.
It's not stop now. Why are you telling me to stop, Mom? Why are you telling me to stop? See, let me make it clear to all of you. If my own will is not read, no other will be read. Period.
Oh, read.
Hey, Mr. Man. Get up from that place and leave this house now.
With due respect, sir, I am a legal practitioner. I am Barrister Anthony Ikemefuna, and I'm here to do my work. Someone brought me here, and not you.
Desmond, please let this stranger go outside and wait for you. We want to proceed.
Barrister Anthony.
Yes.
You heard what they said, eh?
Yeah.
So we have to go.
Okay.
Get out of here! What is wrong with you, Desmond? Get out of here!
Stop begging my husband.
What is it?
Let's listen to the will.
Listen to which will?
See, Mr. Desmond, your brother has promised to follow your will. So let's listen to the other will.
Yeah. I have told you, if you're tying weed, be removing the seed. It goes a long way.
Mr. Desmond,
I am telling you the fact. Are you out of your mind? Do you want to complicate everything? After accepting my own will, you're telling...
See, let's just listen to their will and see how foolish they are. Read. It won't change anything.
Yeah. Hi. Can you just see me?
Let's just go in and listen.
When are we returning these suits that we rented?